Everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to predict your future height with the application we are going to make today. Yes, we are going to make a simple height predictor calculator. For that reason, just type height predictor calculator. Just create. We are going to calculate your future height, or rather, if you have a children or not, we are going to calculate their expected height, or we are just check whether this calculator is accurate for you or not. And enough talking, let's do some coding. Text box. Actually, it's my mistake, not text box. Numeric up-down. We are going to need a numeric up-down, a label, just Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. We are going to need gender, because gender is really important. And for that reason, we are going to need a simple combo box and another label. And of course, finally, a simple calculate button. Let's increase the size of our button. Button text will be calculate. btn calculate. Alright. Here, go to the label 1. Let's change further height. Let's call it further height. For label 2, let's call it mother height. We don't need to change the design here because we don't use it in coding for logical stuff. This is for the visualization. The text is much more important for us. But here we should change the design name num f height for father height, and num, the shortened version of numeric, num mother height, m height. Alright, and here label 3 will be referred as gender. Alright, and finally CMB for combo gender. Just click enter. First, let's test our application. Okay, click on it. And yeah, it seems it's okay. And close it. And now we are going to double click on the calculate button, because the logic will be behind this button. When we click to the button, it will calculate our score. Let's double click on it. Alright, and now we have father height, mother height, and a gender. Firstly, let's create a variable double father height is equal num f height, as we got in the design section, and here value. And here, but yeah, we should parse it to the double. And here we generally use value for numeric stuffs, but if this was a text box, we would use text instead of value. But for our example, we need value. And here let's copy paste it, and here mother height and double. Let's change F with M. Mother height, we have father height, mother height, and double result. The result will be actually we do not need to declare the result, and we are going to need string gender. Gender is equal combo gender text. Yeah. Oh yeah, we forgot some important thing here. The collection. Go to the data items collection. If you are using the alphabetical order, go to I letter and find item. Here click on three dots. Enter male and female. And this is our genders. We do not need any other genders. Let's click OK. Now let's say range, maximum range, let's say 280, and the minimum must be 80. I don't know, maybe there's existing shorter or taller creatures in our world, I don't know. And here go to our code section, and here let's click on if gender is equals male, and here the result. We are going to implement the result formula. It will be father height plus mother height, and here, as we said that we are female, just we are going to add 12 and divide it by 2. Message box dot show, use interpolation, string interpolation, result your child height prediction is, and here we are going to make it plus minus 5, and here else if we are going to need an else if statement. The gender will be equal female this time. Female, and copy and paste. We don't need the property stuff for now. Paste, and here minus 12 because our child is female, or we are female, it doesn't matter. And let's test our application. Let's type something. Here you can type your mother's or father's true height, or just you can test it simply. As I am male, I am clicking on male and click on calculate. And your child's height prediction is 1.178 plus minus 5. This plus minus 5 would be maybe 5 centimeters taller than the predicted height, or 5 centimeters shorter than the predicted height. Actually, my height is 180 centimeters. For me, this calculator is equal. But let's change the gender. Let's click calculate, and if you are females, with the same dimension with the same mother and father height, your expected height would be 166 plus minus 5. And yeah, this was all today for our video tutorial. I hope you like and enjoyed today's tutorial. And if you like my video, do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe my channel for the more contents like this one. So stay tuned and see you soon.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you soon!